Action.
So here I hear something about complimentary maintenance for 3 years. What does that include?
Well, John, what we're going to do is we're going to keep a lot of money in your pocket because it's going to come out of our pocket. We're going to provide you 3 oil changes and 3 tire rotations over the next 3 years. Okay? If you combine those two, it's going to be probably $100 per service, so we're going to save you $300. Now, you might be wondering, why would we do that? Because we are not a charitable outfit. We do it for this reason. Jaman, we have a great service department, but you don't know that. So we are going to pay you to use our service department. And we're going to do that because we figure if we pay you to use our service department 3 times, you will find that our service is terrific, we're fast, we're efficient, and you'll keep on using it. Again, we're not doing it because we're charitable. We're doing it because we want to prove to you, and we're willing to pay for that proof. So, next 3 oil changes, next 3 tire rotations, you pull no money out of your pocket, Jaman. We'll pull it out of ours. Cool?
Yes, sir.
You notice I just didn't